Hey, it's me, Russian Inventor, and in this video I will explain to you how does Tesla coil work, how to make one, and a few experiments with it. So let's go! A Tesla coil was invented by a famous scientist, Nikola Tesla. Tesla coil is a contraption that produces beautiful flying arcs of energy. It was invented in an attempt to transmit electricity wirelessly. But how does it work, you may ask? Well, it takes 120 volts from the plug on the wall and transforms it up to 1,000,000 volts using these coils. This potential is so strong that wires can no longer hold this electricity and release it in the air. Just imagine, this thing by itself can produce up to 1,000,000 volts. That is just crazy. I wish I had this many subscribers, but I think you know what to do. Subscribe now! Some people may ask where I got it. Well, I bought it in an online store AliExpress for around $7. And it comes in as a kit which you have to solder. And that's what I did. By the way guys, I forgot to tell you that this device will need a power supply with a minimum voltage of 15 volts up to 20 volts. And I got one right here, and I also had to modify it so it would plug in Tesla coil. And now, finally, let's do some experiments! Yay! And as you can see right now, I built it all correctly and it perfectly works. You can see the lightning over here. It is electricity, thousands of volts, flowing freely through the air. And that's pretty impressive, I would say. And then I grabbed a screwdriver and decided to see how the lightning would react to the screwdriver and touch the lightning with a screwdriver. I think I say screwdriver too many times. And by the way, guys, be very careful around this machine. I'm a professional and safety is a #1 priority, so be very careful, you know, it is a lot of electricity. Okay, so the next and probably one of the coolest experiments today is with this light bulb. Now, if I turn off the light and bring the light bulb closer to the Tesla coil, guess what? It starts to light up. And that's really cool because that's a wireless energy right there. The light bulb is not connected to anything and it lights up by itself. But the thing is that Tesla coils can't transmit energy very far, so if I move the light bulb away from the Tesla coil, it will slowly fade away. Okay, so then I grabbed few more light bulbs to see how the Tesla coil would handle more light bulbs. Let's see this. So the first light bulb starts to light up immediately, and then if we move others closer, they will also light up, but not as bright as the first one. And that's because no matter how much light bulbs we put in, the Tesla coil will give out the same voltage. By the way guys, all these experiments reminded me of a movie called Stranger Things, where a Demogorgon, it is a monster which would light up electronic devices wirelessly, just like we're doing right now, so that's pretty funny. smash like if you've seen that movie.
Come on. Where are you? Come on!
And the last experiment I want to show you today is that Tesla coil can play music. Yes, you heard it right. Here, I connected a phone to a Tesla coil, and when I press play, it will play music. This works because electric signals can vibrate in some ways which can make sounds, and we can use it to listen to music. Oh yes, you can be cool, but you will never be as cool as playing Star Wars music on a Tesla coil. That's pretty epic. So this is outro for this video, and my brother does not want to record me, so I'm gonna record him. Let's see what he has to say to this video.
Bye everyone. I hope you liked this video, and see you guys next time. Do not subscribe to his channel, he's evil. He locked me up in the basement, and he
Okay, we're just gonna finish.